Crude oil and natural gas both traded bearish for the day. We have seen oil now trading lower. We have seen it now coming all the way towards 69.2, while the natural gas is also now come towards the critical support zone at 3.9, 3.88. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned that this should be a good support zone. Below this, the direct targets are towards 3.8, 3.82. Can we expect these levels today in oil and gas? Can we expect prices to break further, or there is a possibility of a reversal in rise? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day along with the weekly and monthly review. So tomorrow is the day when we are going to release the monthly forecast for crude oil and net gas for the month of March. Do watch it. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into your crude, followed with net gas. If you look at crude on the hourly chart, see this is how it has been trading: lower highs, lower lows, trading bearish right now. But when you see the near term charts, it is very, very important for oil to now break below 69. So once you see it trading below 69 and then 68.6, 68.4, that is a point of time you can say now lower lows are going to be there, where the prices are going to be seen or breaching below 68 or 67.8 levels, the next target. See what has happened here after the drop, the retracement, after the drop, the retracement, and it is now looking downwards. Right now the prices are also now see trading here bearish, and now very, very important for it to trade below 69. So let's wait for it to trade below 69 in order to confirm further bearishness. Yes, the stock stick is oversold. MACD after retracement has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness, and the RSI is also right now looking downwards. Coming to two, when you see the 2 hour charts, after the drop, the retracement, after the drop, the retracement, and if you connect the dots, you will find this is how it has been trading. Now when you look at the move here, this is how the low should be there, but I will wait for it to now trade below 69 and then 68.6, 68.4. Only and only if crude oil trades below 68.6, 68.4, you can look forward to further lows at 67.8. Stochastic oversold, MACD trying to cross over for sell, looking downwards. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart, similar observation: drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And when you see the charts here, you can find out lower lows, lower highs are there. Below this, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. And yes, right now it is trading in a bearish channel. Let's wait for it to trade below 69. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is trying to converge, not yet crossed over, though it has already seen a good low, so it is under recovery. But I will say wait for because see this can again cross over. So on the upside now 69.6 is something you should watch out for, and then 70, 70.2 and 70.5, 70.6 should appear. RSI has dropped here, again a slight bearish sign. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar observation: drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And when you look at this, you can see lower lows are done and prices are now again looking downwards. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is trying to converge, and it is not yet crossed over for a sell. The RSI has dropped here as well. When you look at the daily charts, now on the daily charts there is an important observation here. When you see the daily charts, see, you will find that the day started on a bearish note and it is at the almost half the levels. Now still there is a possibility for a reversal in crude oil prices, but now it is very, very important for the price to trade above 70, 70.2 and then 70.6. If these three levels are taken, you can say now 71.2 has to be there, and then in fact 72 will be seen. So right now I can say it is too early to conclude, because see, if you look at these two candles, one reversal sign has appeared, then one bearish candle, and currently it is placed at almost half the size of the previous candle. So it's still the prices may reverse completely, and thus if you see it is staying above 69.6, you can initiate a buying entry, wait for 70, 70.2 and 70.4, 70.6 zone to be taken on the upside. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is oversold and this is calling for a recovery here, and that is what second greener candle may appear here. When you look at the MACD, this is right now trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. So consider, I will recommend you to buy here at 69.6. I will talk about the buying levels. The selling entries I will follow. Selling entries will follow after the buying entries. So first thing is where to buy 69.6. You can expect 70, 70.2 as the first target. If 70, 70.2 is taken, then 70.5, 70.6 should be there. If that is also taken, stay bullish for 71. And once 71 is taken, that's a reversal which is going to take it all the way towards 72. If not today, then the week beginning next week. That is the first part. On the sell side now, the selling entries are recommended at 69. Now 69, 68.6, 68.4 are going to be the next support. So you can sell here at 69 when you see the higher price below 69. So you can take a sell entry there, expect 68.6, 68.4. This is the most crucial support for the day, for the week. And once it breaks below this, you can expect 67.8, 68 as the next target. Below 67.8, I think it is set to deliver a stronger correction. So take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, let's have a look at natural gas on the hourly charts. Clearly trading bearish, trading with divergence, looking downwards, and this is how it has been trading here. The lows here for the gas are 3.85 and below that 3.8 levels. So if you now see it is staying below 3.88, you can take a selling entry. On the upside now, it is very clear that it is not willing to break beyond 3.96, the critical milestone. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned if you see it is staying above 3.96, you can initiate a buying entry. So far, it has restrained itself from breaking beyond this. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is already at bottom, but again crossed over and now trying to trade more bearish. RSI has dropped here. On the 2 hour charts, when you look at, see the moving average is crossing over here, and this crossover is appearing after a long time. If you connect the highs and the lows, you can find the bottom of this is at around 3.85 or 3.8 levels. And look at the formation. See, after consolidating for a while now, the net gas is breaking here on the downside. So once it trades below 3.88, you can take a selling entry. Is stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is trading with moderate bearishness, and the RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 similar observation on the 3 hour chart, see a flat top, the moving average is crossing over here, looking downwards, and see it is consolidated enough here now, looking downwards. So signs are pretty bearish here. I will wait for it to trade further low, and yes, on the downside 3.85 and 3.8 are the two levels you should watch out for, because below 3.8 we can look forward to the next target at 3.7 and 3.6 level. Possibly when the next week starts, it can try to deliver a gap down. If it opens, if it drops today and closes at the bottom, we can say a weaker beginning in the coming week, or gap down opening in the coming week. Stochastic is oversold. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI trading at bottom. On the 4 similar observation on the 4 hour charts, the moving average is convergent here, and if you look at the formation here, you can find out the drop, the retracement, and it is right now trading bearish here. You can see this. Now we have to wait for it to come out of this channel. The lows here are at towards 3.8, and below that you can expect more bearishness to prevail. And if you look at natural gas on the larger time frame, you can find out this is how it has been trading. This is a nice flag formation. Where are the lows here? Towards 3.7 and 3.6 levels. The possibility for gas to move towards these levels exists, but it will depend where it closes today and how it is. Now, if you see net gas trading below 3.88, you can take a sell, expect 3.8584 as the first and 3.8 at the next. If it trades below 3.8 levels, expect 3.76, 3.7 levels. Anything and everything is possible. If it can rise sharp, it can drop sharp as well. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading divergent and bearish. RSI has dropped here. Coming to on the daily charts, preceding candle closing at the lows, today's candle trying to break below yesterday's low, and that is a 3.88 levels will come into picture. The next observation is the divergence of the price from the 20 period, which calls for it to converge, which means 3.8 might be there soon. So this is one part of it. The stochastic here is also looking. The MACD after retracement, it is now convergent here. A crossover here may mean a reversal. The RSI has dropped. So considering this, I will recommend a buying entry only about 3.96, above which you can expect it to move towards 4.02 at the first, 4.0506 at the second, and then we can look forward to a greater up move, which is going to take it all the way towards 4.2, 4.4 levels, chances of which appears to be very little today at least. On the downside, a selling entry should be there at 3.88 levels, 3880 that is. Below this, you can expect 3.8584 as the first target zone, 3.8 as the second, and then 3.76 should appear below that. 3.7 is the next target. Maybe if not today, where it closes today is going to be of prime importance, because that will increase the possibility of a gap down opening in the coming week. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the monthly forecast tomorrow. that will give you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from crude oil and net gas in the month of March. Take your trades accordingly. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank